Brandy here with more cell phone news. We all know about the iPhone 4 signal issue when holding it the wrong way. Well, Apple could possibly be trying to change that. A document was found from June 2009 could be hinting that Apple could be trying to put their antenna behind their logo. Dell had a very similar patent in 2003, but the difference was that their logo was actually the antenna. Again, this is Brandy with Cell Phone Track. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more news, visit our website at cellphonetrack.com.